Do you need a catchy caption fast? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can craft social media text in just seconds with the AI tool LogicBalls. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and then go to the search bar, simply search for LogicBalls. Hit enter, go to logicballs.com. Now here you will find an area to enter your prompt. So the first thing you want to do is type a short description of what you're posting. Let's say if I am posting a sunset photo at a lake, and then you can write something like generate, I'll just type it in. All right, something like generate few Instagram captions. And then you can just go ahead and type in if you have any additional requests. Something like under 20 words, and make the tone very friendly. I'll just type it in, make the tone very friendly. You can write something like this, and then you can hit enter. Now LogicBalls will instantly analyze your prompt, and it will give you some friendly Instagram captions for a sunset lake photo. From your prompt field, you could just go ahead and select multiple options from these. If you want more options, you can request for more. You can scan the results and pick your favorite one, and then tweak any words if they are not matching, or if you want to keep them or remove them. And then you could just go ahead and copy this, directly paste it over wherever you're posting your photo, and then you can just easily post it on your social media. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.